understanding, and skills. They will be planned, researched, and developed and recorded along the way, discussed in supervisor meetings, demonstrated in a final product and outcome, reflected on in the report, and celebrated at the exhibition. Okay, so where do we start? Now is the time to ask yourself, what am I really interested in? What do I hope to make, create, or learn or do this year? Why might I need to do in order for it to be a realistic project? Think about it. All projects need to be A, accessible. You can measure your own successes. B, believable. You can achieve this in the next 5 months. C, challenging. It's worth your time and effort. D, desirable. It's something you want to do. All projects start from an initial topic, which you then narrow down to a specific goal. Okay, so here would be like a personal project example 1. Okay, so something that you could do is you can learn a new language. Okay, so you're going to learn a new language through some process. Okay, and that's where your process journal comes in. So maybe it's through taking a class, a language class, not like the one here at Springbrook, but like something beyond that. Okay, so like let's say you're learning Spanish here. Let's say you want to learn Italian. Maybe you sign up for a Duolingo, or you create or you sign up for, let's say, like even a community college class. There's plenty of things that you can find on the internet. So after you're done signing up for them and you take your time learning the language, there needs to be a product at the end. So maybe you're giving a speech, maybe you're having conversations with people in the new language that you learned. So that would be an example of a personal project. The other example would be, okay, the first aid, like creating a club. Okay, a couple years ago, I had a couple students create the first aid club. This is the Ohio State University one, but they created a first aid club in order to allow students to learn more about anything in the medical field, helping out students with injuries, whatever they wanted to do, whatever they wanted to learn about, and they created a club for it and allowed others to join as well. So beginning the project, how are we going to start this? So number 1, what we're going to do is we're going to pick our summer plans for the personal project. So option 1 is to sign up for the summer enrichment class. That will be run by myself, Mrs. Lipinski, and Mr. Razio. Option 2, we will begin working on the personal project on your own, and we'll provide you resources that you will use this summer in order to get a jump start. And option 3, wait until the school year begins and start working. This is not suggested though, guys. Okay, the school year is going to be busy. It's going to be a whole new year and a brand new structure that you haven't seen in 2 years. So we want to make sure that you get a great jump start this summer. So what I want you to do is I'm going to provide you a link, okay, and I would like you to fill out the following Google Doc form to tell us about yourself and your goals for academic success this summer. So if there's any conclusions and questions, both myself and I believe Mr. Weinschel are here to answer any of your questions, as well as I have my email in this document for you to email me any questions that you may have. Okay, so this is my email, and this is Mr. Weinschel's email as well. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for allowing me to come and talk to you about the personal project, and I hope you have a great day.